There's a link pinned to the top of the chat for the remaining spots in tonight's breaks and some spots for Sunday. If you guys want to hop in Sunday's breaks, I'll be right back and we'll get started on our next break here. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck to everybody in this break. We got our 2 blaster boxes. We're going to have 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Here we go. Muted again. Thanks, Rob. We got Chris Godwin here, Geno Atkins, Lane Johnson, Julio Jones Brilliance, Kid Reporter card. Guess the last mem card, player on the last mem card for 20 in credit. We should have 2 mem cards. Here's one. Here's our first one out of box 1. Guess the player on the second mem card we have in this break. You can earn yourself 20 in credit if you guess correctly. That's going to be Jerry Jeudy for Denver. Then we got Preston Smith, Bruce Smith, Willie Gay rookie. On to our next pack, guys. DJ Moore, James Conner, Josh Jacobs, and Javon Curse on the orange cracked ice. Going to Tennessee. Kid Reporter card. We have Jerry Rice, Devin McCourty, Thaddeus Moss rookie, and a silver Michael Strahan. That's going to go to the Giants. Demario Davis, Andre Johnson, Mitchell Trubisky, Keyshawn Vaughn rookie, orange cracked ice, going to Tampa. Kid Reporter card. In our last pack of box number 1, we got Aaron Jones, Mark Ingram, Quez Watkins rookie, and Preston Smith on the orange cracked ice. Get these top loaded. We'll move on to box 2. This will give you guys time to get your guesses in for the player on the last mem card of the break. All right, guys, here we go. Can't tell which one might have that mem. Want to save it to the end there. It's Shaquille Barrett, Minka Fitzpatrick, Roquan Smith, Damian Williams Brilliance, Kid Reporter card. We have Trey Boston, CJ Uzama, Dak Prescott, Calvin Ridley, Orange Cracked Ice. Get the quarter card. Calvin Ridley will be reinstated. I think he got reinstated, so he'll be back next year on Jacksonville. Shaquille Griffin, Josh Norman, Drayton Evans rookie, and a silver Cole Kmet rookie for the Bears. And we got our next pack is Rob Gronkowski, Juju Smith-Schuster, Harold Landry, Julian Okara, rookie Orange Cracked Ice. And our next box, Donald Driver, Stephon Gilmore, Jake Luton on the rookie, and David Johnson on the Orange Cracked Ice. All right, guys, this will have our mem in it. Save it to the end on the back here. We got Raheem Mostert, Gardner Minshew. There's a nice Tua Tagovailoa rookie. And our patch. Do we have any CD Lamb guesses? CD Lamb was our patch. It's going to be the rookie patch. CD Lamb for Dallas. That was the guess. If you guess CD Lamb prior to that, you'll get 20 in credit. All right, guys, up next is going to be our Donruss Optic Basketball Blaster box. We have two teams left in the Donruss Optic Basketball. We got the Raptors and Thunder. So if you guys are chasing Josh Giddey, the Thunder are available. And then the Raptors with Scotty Barnes rookies. That's coming up next. There's a link in the chat to get 10% off those if you want to grab those too. All right, guys, we'll do a quick recap here and then we'll move on to our next break. Thanks for everyone for joining that one. We have Calvin Ridley, Orange Cracked Ice, Cole Kmet, Silver Rookie. Then we had Okwara for the Detroit Lions rookie, Orange Cracked Ice, David Johnson Cracked Ice, Tua Tagovailoa rookie. CD Lamb was the guest in the last patch of the break. Javon Curse Cracked Ice. Then we had Michael Strahan Silver, Keyshawn Vaughn Orange Cracked Ice rookie, Preston Smith Orange Cracked Ice, and our first patch was Jerry Jeudy going to Denver.